Okay, this is my new garage doors that I built, and I want to show you how the remote works on the new one. Let's say there's the remote. You push the on button and the middle door right here is where I put the opener, and you'll see about how long it takes for them to open. There they go. Alright, they just opened. I'm going to walk inside now and show you how that works. Okay, on the back wall, see the two buckets. The big tall bucket over here is my reservoir bucket, and there's a pump in it. And the bucket with the rope on top, let me see, oh, right there. That's the bucket, the counterweighted, the bucket that's when it fills up, it comes down, see, from the top, from the ceiling, there's a pulley, and then it drops down. And when that drops down, it opens the doors. See the cable, rope going to this pulley. And what it does is it pulls this board. You'll see it's fixing to close now. I've got it hooked to this board that's connected to the door. And when it closes, I've got this hooked to this other board, so it'll close both doors at the same time. I know that's hard to see and understand on this video, but what it is I put that board on, so the rope pulls the board actually. See, the rope goes back to this pulley, and then it goes from there over the ceiling and over to the bucket up here. Now I'll do it again from in here so you can see that. See, here's the remote. Push the button. Light comes on. You can hear the water going in. It won't take but a few seconds. It fills up. Alright, see, it starts dropping. And see, it drops down. When it drops down, that rope pulls on that board, and then that opens the door. And this is just a linkage to the other door, so it'll open too at the same time. And then I've got a rope going from the corner of the door up there, follow it back to this counterweight. See, that bucket there is on a pulley, and it has water in it to weight it down. And it takes a while. What happens is this bucket over here, I'll see if you can see down inside it. See the water in there? I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's going out. Yeah, see, you can see the water going out. This hose siphons the water back out into the reservoir bucket. And when it gets enough out, then the doors start closing. It takes them a while to close, but when they start closing, that bucket goes back down and closes the door. And they always close with the door on the left. From the way we're looking now, this door closes just a little bit before this door because of this board here in the middle. Laps over. But that's about it. I'm going to go back this way one more time. See my golf cart? I'll go back over this way one more time so you can see this. See, oh, the other thing I didn't show you. Here, let me do it one more time. All right, it's filling up. See this little switch back here? See, I've got it rigged up. Watch it when the bucket drops down. See, when the bucket drops down, it pulls that switch down and shuts the pump and everything back off. And then it starts the siphoning process. Siphons out of that bucket into this big bucket where the pump is. When it goes back up, which is going to be a while, so I probably won't have it on there that long. Anyhow, when it goes up, it pulls that switch right there. It pulls it back up and turns the power back on so you can start all over again for the next time. So, kind of weird looking, but Rednet Engineering.